Keep your hands up, girls.
Hi. Okay, no going.
That's it, guys. Hands up. Remember, you keep your hands in your face.
I'll just go. You can.
Okay, got our girls working full side cover over here. Slow it down, girls. Go a little slower. That's it. Wait till she attacks you, though. All right, let's see it, girls. That's it. Oh, don't work on the time. Don't tell her when you're going to do it. Surprise her. Good. Let's see. Nice, good blocks now. Nice, good blocks. That's it, guys.
When they're on camera, they get nervous. Can I just say hi?
There you go. Get that leg up. Practice it. Okay. And go to the stand-up position.
Hi.
How are you? What are you learning? What are you girls learning?
I'm learning karate.
What else?
Martial arts. Martial arts. And rubber sling. We got an awesome teacher.
All right, let's see it, guys.
Let's go.
Good. Switch it up. Let's see it.
Remember you grabbed my ankle?
All right, let's see it go. Switch it up. Switch it up quick. Let's see the takedown.
I can do it. I have to keep an eye on me. Someone Justin.
Okay, go. You got it. Hook that leg. There you go. Nice. Very good. Switch it up. Let's see the other side. Good job.